Nomi means a system of laws. So taxonomy is the set of rules and laws that we use to name plants and animals. Astronomy is the study of stars and planets beyond Earth's atmosphere. Um, a lot of times we think about laws of gravity and things like that, so that kind of plays into this. Agronomy is the science of soil management and crop production. And economy is basically business, so buying and selling and producing goods and selling goods, supply and demand, that sort of thing. So Nomi could also be used almost like the word part ology. So it's like a study of. So it's like the study of soils and plant growth, like crop production. This is the study of stars. This is the study of business. Nutri means food or nourishment. So a nutrient is something we have to survive. So we have to have nutrients. Nutrition is basically the kind of nutrients we get and how we get them. Nurture is the care for and encouragement or encouraging the growth and development of something like a child. So if you nurture something, you're taking care of it basically. And then a nursery is um, basically where we grow things. You can think about it like a garden nursery where you grow plants and things like that, or you can think about a nursery in a house where maybe you set up a room for a baby. Osteo means bone formation or just bones. So an osteocyte is a cell that's involved in bone formation, repair, and maintenance. Osteopathy is a therapy that uses manipulation of the skeleton to restore health, kind of like chiropractic. Osteoporosis is a medical condition in which the bones become brittle and fragile from loss of tissue, typically as a result of hormonal changes or deficiency of the calcium or vitamin C. And then osteology is the branch of anatomy that treats the bones. So osteology is the study of the bones, basically. Ov means egg, so oval is sort of egg shaped if you kind of think of the shape like a chicken egg, and oval is kind of similar to a chicken egg. Um, an ovum is a mature female reproductive cell, especially of a human or other animal, which can divide and give rise to an embryo, usually after fertilization. An ovule is a small or immature ovum, or in botany, it's the part of an ovary of seed plants that contains the female germ cells, and after fertilization becomes the seed. So it's basically an immature seed in a plant, or like an immature egg cell in an animal. And oviparous refers to animals that lay eggs for their young, so like birds. Photo means light, so photograph is a picture. So graph means to draw, so to draw with light. Photosynthesis, basically synthesis means to produce. Um, so photosynthesis to produce by light, this is the process by which plants produce sugars. And photovoltaic refers to voltage or electricity produced by light, so solar panels. You can also think about photons. A photon is a unit of light. It's a little packet of energy that makes up light, so photons.